Here's a sound comparison of the same sound file on the Suitables unit and also on the Radio Shack unit. The difference is that the WAV file gets loaded on here right into the memory, whereas on this one you have to record the sound with this microphone, and the white button is the record button. So let's check out the difference. And now the Radio Shack unit. It's a lot louder and the sound is more crisp. It has more of a pop to it, and you get kind of the highs and the mids and the lows a little bit better on this speaker. So I'm going to solder another speaker on here and see how it performs.